Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to trim, cut and split your videos using the InShot app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your video project and then you will have to tap on the pre-cut section here. As you can see, this little scissor. When you tap on it, you have three options that you can use on your video. The trim option is when you cut a small part from the beginning or from the end or both of them of your clip. As you can see, you can cut it very precisely. You can cut by tenths of a second. So this is how you can trim your video. To cut your video is when you cut it in two pieces, but you can set up the pieces and you can leave a part out from the middle. As you can see, if I cut it like this, there is no part that I left out from the middle. But if I cut it like this, I can remove a part from the middle of the video. And the third option is the split, when you just cut in to your video. There is no parts that are left out, only you split your video in two, and so you can move those two different parts around as you want. So let's try it out. If I split it like this, as you can see, now my video is split in two, and then I can move both of these parts separately. As you can see, I can move it to the end of the video, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.